Introducing the Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker, your new kitchen companion. Designed for convenience, perfect results every time. Ideal for individuals and small families. Make rice, soups, or even desserts, all with just the push of a button. The 6-cup cooked capacity transforms 3 cups of raw rice into fluffy perfection. The non-stick inner pot makes cooking and cleanup effortless. Just remove and go. BPA-free coating helps prevent food from sticking, ensuring easy serving. Just add your ingredients, pour water, and push the button. It's that simple. Once cooked, it automatically switches to keep warm mode for an ideal serving temperature. Convenient measuring lines inside the pot make getting the right ratios a breeze. From quick side dishes to hearty meals, this rice cooker is a must-have for any kitchen. Enjoy perfectly cooked rice and more without the guesswork. Check out the link in the video description to get yours today.